for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, running boards, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, panic alarm, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.